Welcome to day 20. Here we'll be learning about some of the questions, how to make questions using this have, did, has, all those things. And I'll teach you one by one. The first one is, have you seen my phone? Asking if they have seen it recently. Just now I have put this phone and have you seen it right now? That is what is conveyed here. And the next one, did you see my phone? That means that asking if they saw it at a specific time, that past action only. Did you see? That is what mentioned here. And the next one, has Manoj left? Asking if Manoj has left recently. Has Manoj left means present perfect, and asking whether Manoj left just now. That is it. Next one, same meaning, like did Manoj leave? Did Manoj leave? That means like Manoj asking if he left at a specific time, what time or any specific time he followed for leaving the place. That is it. The next one, same kind of sentences. Have you sent the mail? Have you sent the mail? That is present perfect. Just now, did you complete the task by sending the mail? Yeah, that is it. Did you send the mail? That means in the past times, did you do that work? That is what asked here. Next one. Have you watched this movie? Have you ever watched this movie? Have you completed that in the recent times? That is what asked here. Did you watch this movie that any time in the past times? Did you watch that? Any particular time you watched, you sat and watched the movie? And the next one, how did you lose the key? Like how did you lose the key? Like how it is lost? Where you placed that? That is what is asked here. And the last sentence, when did the results come out? When did, at what time? Asking about some particular time. When did the results come out? It's a past action, asking about some past action. Here we are going to learn WH questions. WH questions means what, they are question words only, and they usually starts with WH, and there are some also which starts with other spellings, don't worry, but they are also WH questions. They also comes under WH questions. And the first one is who. Who means like we are asking who are you, like who is that person, like that we are asking. Examples, who gave you money? Asking about a completed action. Who gave you money? Past action. We are asking about a past action. The next example, who has given you money? Like just now I am having some money with me and one of my parents or someone is asking that who has given you money. Now the money with you, who has given it to you? Next one, what means what are you doing, what is happening now? Examples, what did he do to you? Asking about a completed action. What did he do to you? By the appearance of did itself, that is clear, it's a past action, right? Yeah. And next one, what has he done to you? What has he done to you means what, that is a recent action. Now the, like for example, if a boy is crying and he might not be telling the reason of his sorrow or something, and we are asking, well, what has he done to you, what has happened to you, that we can ask such a question. And the next WH question is why. Why means what is the reason? Why did you buy this? What is the reason for buying this? And why have you bought this? Now I am having a particular thing in my hand, and someone is asking, why did you buy this? Why have you bought this? And the next WH question is, where did you buy this from? Where? Which place you got this? Where did you buy this? Where have you bought this? Next in another way we can tell, where have you bought this? Where, from where you got this, or where did you buy this? That is the thing mentioned here. And another WH question, but WH is not here. Apart from that, the HOW, how, it is HOW. How means what is the reason, or what is it, like that. Okay, see the example, how much money did you spend? How much, what is the quantity? How much? You usually tell or we usually speak about the quantity while conveying messages by using how much money did you spend? How much, what is the quantity? And next one, how much money have you spent till this time? How much money have you spent? That is what is asked here.